In this question, you have to find the integration of 1 plus tan x plus 3 pi by 8 into 1 plus tan pi by 8 minus of x. So if there's one condition that is given, if a plus b is equal to pi by 4, then 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b, that is equal to that is equal to 2. And we can prove this value. If I will apply tan a plus b on both sides, that is equal to tan pi by 4. So if I will expand this value, you will write it as tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b, that is equal to 1. Now let's cross multiply on both sides. So you will write tan a plus tan b, that is equal to 1 upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Now what we can do, we can write everything on one side, so that one can be written as tan a. If I will take tan b common, you will write as 1 plus tan of a, and that is equal to 1. Now we will add 1 on both sides. Here you will write 1 plus tan a, and here you will write tan b into 1 plus tan of a, that is equal to 2. Now 1 plus tan a, if I will take common, you will write as 1 plus tan b, and that is equal to 2. Now if you can see here we will say a plus b is equal to pi by 4. Let's check the value. So if you will write x plus 3 pi by 8 plus pi by 8 minus of x. So x and x will get cancelled. You will get the value as 3 pi by 8 plus pi, and in denominator you will write 8. That is equal to 4 pi by 8. That is equal to pi by 2, which is not a correct thing, which means that this question is wrong. Here we have to put minus, then we can say this answer will be correct. So instead of writing this one, you will write minus, here you will write minus, this one will become 2 pi, and 2 pi will give you pi by 4. Now that's how you will get the answer, and then you will write it as integration of 2 into dx, and that is equal to 2 of x. Hope you have understood this question.